Hi, this is Terry Jones coming to you again today live to share with you making money online checklist. Okay, now the first thing that you will need to have in place to make money online, even if you aren't a brick and mortar, but if you're a brick and mortar and you decided, hey, you know what, I want to take my business online, you're going to need a website. Okay, make sure you have your website up and functioning properly. You can go to GoDaddy.com to get a domain name and then have your website created either by using WordPress, or you can use Weebly, or there are several platforms. I know some people actually just have their products and service on Facebook. If you're just using Facebook until you can get someone to create your website, then you want to actually take that domain name that you purchase, okay, for your products and have it pointed to the Facebook page. So when people type in abc.com, it will go to Facebook versus, you not having a domain name. So at least get your domain name, and then once you find someone to build your website, then you can go ahead on and have it point to your website. Okay, now the second thing is you want to have your products properly displayed on your website so that they're enticing for others to view. So if you have cakes, pies, and cookies, I know I have bought, things because they look so delicious online, okay? You bought clothes online because they look, just like what you're looking for, okay? So make sure that your products are to what they need to be. All right. The third thing is your products that you offer, they should be items that people want, or items that you can somehow convince them that they want, okay? And we've all done that, impulse shopping. We're looking for one thing, but we end up purchasing something else because, that item on that website will look like it was something that we really needed, and we were convinced that we needed it because of the content that was on that website. So it's very important to put content on your website along with your images, okay? The fourth thing is to have a way for people to pick up your items and purchase them, such as a shopping cart. Okay, so if you have several different products, you want to make sure that people can, get 1, 2, 3, 4, however many items that you are selling on there. Okay, so you want to go ahead on and sell as many items to that person while you have their attention. All right, and that is done with a shopping cart. All right, and the fifth thing is, basically, you want to have proper payment solutions so that the customers can safely make payments to you. And of course, you will have PayPal set up. You can have Stripe set up. Basically, there are several different concepts that you can have set up, but those are the simplest ones that you can get set up quick and easy. Okay. The sixth thing is you want to market your business so that customers can find you online, okay? And you do that by having YouTube videos out there. You want to have a Google Plus account. You want to have your Facebook, your Instagram, all those type of things. You want to have email marketing, okay? And those are different marketing concepts. We've already shared some information on YouTube marketing, basically email marketing, shared webinar marketing, and so those are some of the concepts that you can use to market your business online. Okay, the seventh thing is basically for you to entice visitors with special offers, okay? Coupons, freebie, give them a free consultation, give them 25% off, okay? And you can give them an ebook, with tips, and this is how you do this, okay? Or you can create a video series, you can create a newsletter, okay? So those are the things that you want to do. Basically, when they visit your website, you want to have an opt-in page, which we shared that, so that once they opt in to get your special offer, your coupon, your freebie, they'll be on your email list, and you can email them so that they can begin to know, like, and trust you, which will end up eventually in you selling some type of product to them. All right. The eighth thing is you want to analyze and manage your online site with e-commerce basically like Google Analytics. You know, you want to have that on your website. And say, for instance, if you have a website that you're, you know, promoting on Facebook, you want to have a bit.ly link, you know, some type of link so that you can track, you know, if people are actually clicking on your link based on the ad that you put with that link. Okay. And that's all I have for today. So I want to thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to sharing some more online marketing concepts with you next week.